So say for example you're creating a social media post and you've got an image that you want to use and it's in a frame, right? So maybe you don't like the frame that this image is in, or you don't have an image but you want to place it in something to make it look a little bit more dynamic to sort of match the aesthetic of the post. So the way you can do this is using the frames, and it's located in the elements window on the left here. So you should just hit elements. Frame should be one of the first menus that you have here at this at the top underneath the search bar. So basically what this is a frame is what Canva can put an image inside of, basically as a crop. So you can have a circle image, a triangle, zigzag, a love heart shaped image basically. So don't get confused between normal elements and the actual frames that Canva uses. It can be a bit confusing at first. The way that you know it's a frame is that you will have this grassy and sky texture. All you need to do is hit see all, and then this is where you'll see the full menu of frames. Canva has it there, and there are there's like a massive bunch of them really. And you can basically search for whatever type of frame that you want to match your aesthetic, for example. So this one's a bit funky, it's a bit quirky, it has a bit of a nature vibe to it with the green. So you can see this is something similar to what we're after. But what I'm going to do is go, literally I'm just going to hit squiggle frame. I know that's not how you spell it, but there you go. So you've got a couple options here. So that's kind of the one that we had previously, but maybe you want something a little bit more nice. I think that one was it. So you can have a look. Maybe you're after something like this. Yeah, let's go with this one and we'll just see what it looks like. There you go. So place the frame however you'd like on the canvas, so you can rotate it and whatnot. But just keep in mind the image will be rotated as per the axis of this. So there was an image that we had here previously, but I'm going to look up an image. So I'm just going to go and search photos and just go maybe fun person, oops, sunshine, I don't know, we'll just see what it comes up with. Oh, there you go, some good ones. So this one's like a recycled fabric business. So maybe here we go, we've got this kid. Something that sort of demonstrates that value. All you need to do is click on the image that you need, drag it over, and then you'll see that the frame will get populated. And then this is where you can kind of control its placement. So to control how it's placed, because you can see that the face is cut off, double click on the image again, and this is where Canva will allow you to shift its position based off how big the image is. You can increase its scale as well if it allows you to do so. So just be a bit more wise when it comes to picking image. Once you're done, you can see that the outline of this frame is ghosted. So it kind of gives you an idea. Click off and you can see that it's been placed. If you want to move it backwards, just right click, layer, and just go center back or send backwards. And there you go. So if you're not happy with the image at the end of the day, let's just say happy people. There you go, something a bit more happier. Maybe you want to use someone that's outdoors and reflecting that same grassy exterior, for example. I know these seem very like corporate jargon-esque, but I think they show some good examples of what Canva can kind of give you. Maybe let's just go with this group of people because it's got that green in the background there. There you go, and you can you can't really rotate the frame, but you can rotate the image so you can kind of make it fit that as you sort of like, which I think is great. It's not the best idea of the image, but you kind of get the idea. Oh, there you go, that's cute. Or maybe even this one. I think this one's nicer. So there you go. So hopefully that kind of helps you. There are a whole bunch of frames in Canva, so you can experiment a bit more if you just search frames in the Elements window. So just click on frame or just type it in, and then Canva will give you all these options. And there are sort of frames for mockups, that sort of thing as well. If you've got a design already pre-made, it's kind of cool. What they have here. All right. If you've got any questions, just let me know. If you need help with a Canva document or a project that you've got, leave a comment in the comment section and I'll leave a link in the description to be in touch. Thanks.